Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's deep dive, we're going to explore the upcoming release of the highly anticipated Canon R7 Mark II and its sibling model R7 V. Based on current industry trends, insider speculation, and Canon's release patterns, there are clear signs that both of these APS-C mirrorless cameras are on the horizon. I'll also share why I believe the R7 Mark II might significantly redefine Canon's APS-C lineup and how it might stand up against its full-frame competitors. Emerging rumors: what makes the R7 Mark VII stand out? While several tech blogs and global camera forums are currently speculating the joint announcement of the Canon R6 Mark II, R5 Mark III, and R1, I firmly believe that Canon will unveil the R7 Mark II and R7 V first. These two models will likely serve as the flagship refreshes of the APS-C segment and cater to both advanced amateur and semi-professional creators. The R7 Mark II is expected to go far beyond a simple refresh. This won't just be a mild upgrade of the original R7, rather, it will be a new chapter, targeting serious photographers with higher performance demands, advanced imaging technology, digic accelerator and CMOS evolution. One of the most anticipated features of the R7 Mark II is the integration of Canon's digic accelerator, in combination with Digic X or possibly an upgraded version. This powerful pairing should significantly improve autofocus tracking, sensor readout speed, and noise reduction, especially in burst shooting and high ISO conditions. This system has proven highly effective in the R5 Mark II and R1, making it a logical move for Canon to extend the same architecture to their APS-C line. Furthermore, Canon may reuse the stacked CMOS sensor technology, which could mean faster frame rates, better rolling shutter control, and more dynamic range. What about the R7V? The R7V, rumored to launch alongside the Mark II, might be Canon's more videocentric APS-C mirrorless camera. This model could appeal to content creators, vloggers, and hybrid shooters who prioritize 4K 60 or even 4K 120 recording, possibly with 10-bit internal recording, Canon log profiles, and advanced heat management, whereas the R7 Mark II will likely target still photographers with high-resolution imaging and fast burst rates. The R7V may prioritize advanced video features, in-body stabilization, and potentially even raw video output. Accessory compatibility and design enhancements. The R7 Mark II is also expected to support Canon's BG, R10 or new vertical power grip, just like the R5 Mark II. This is a feature many advanced APS-C users have requested, especially those involved in sports or wildlife photography who require extended battery life and better ergonomics. Such accessory cross-compatibility would allow users to switch between APS-C and full-frame bodies more seamlessly, a smart move by Canon to encourage investment in the RF ecosystem. Lessons from the original R7. The original EOS R7 was Canon's first high-performance APS-C RF mount camera. While praised for its resolution and in-body stabilization, many professionals felt it lacked speed in sensor readout and buffer handling. It also struggled under extreme action photography conditions. That's likely why Canon is preparing to position the R7 Mark II more in line with full-frame flagships like the R5 Mark II. If the rumors are true, it may actually share the same operational design and controls, just with an APS-C sensor, making it a little brother in spirit, but not performance. This makes the new R7 Mark II a semi-professional APS-C powerhouse, not just an entry-level body. Pricing predictions and market dynamics. Here's where things get complicated: pricing. With the potential addition of advanced processors, a new stacked sensor, and pro-level accessory support, the R7 Mark may second cross into high-end territory, possibly exceeding the price of the R6 Mark II. This brings up the possibility of a pricing reversal, an APS-C body being more expensive than a full-frame one. If that happens, Canon will have to clearly communicate why, whether it's higher frame rates, AI-driven autofocus, or additional video capabilities. Furthermore, due to the upcoming US tariff changes starting August 1st, Canon may raise prices across the board. It's anticipated that this could lead to a 25% increase in import costs, which would inevitably affect camera pricing globally. User migration trends. Many former R7 users have already migrated to the R6 Mark II. Some also moved up to the R5 Mark II or even the R1. These photographers cited better autofocus, superior low-light performance, and a more balanced handling of both stills and video. Interestingly, many Nikon D500 users are also switching to Canon due to the lack of a true D500 successor. Cameras like the R6 Mark II or even the upcoming R7 Mark II now appear to offer what those users are missing: a compact yet powerful alternative with Canon's robust RF lens ecosystem. What about the R10 Mark II now? While the R7 Mark II will no doubt be a beast, it may not be the perfect solution for everyone. That's why I'm personally most excited about the Canon R10 Mark II. This compact APS-C body is rumored to be lighter, more affordable, and ideal for travel and casual shooting. It may skip the digic accelerator and instead rely on a refined CMOS sensor and digic X alone, but that's not a bad trade-off. It will still likely offer excellent autofocus, 4K video, and improved ergonomics, ideal for those wanting professional results without the professional size or price tag. For many creators, the R10 Mark II could be the best value for money camera of the year. Firmware ecosystem and long-term updates. With the release of the R7 Mark II, I expect Canon to roll out firmware updates across the ecosystem. The R5 Mark II and R1 may serve as the base platforms from which Canon refines its software for future models. We might see updates to animal detection, AI autofocus enhancements, and even faster sensor calibration routines being pushed out via firmware. The performance of the digic accelerator, though still maturing, is likely to be further refined. Canon is clearly aiming for a modular firmware base where updates improve multiple generations of cameras. This is an exciting development. Real-world reactions. Exhibition experience. At my photo exhibition, one of the most common reactions came from those who viewed my large format prints taken on 24MP full-frame cameras. Most viewers expressed awe at the level of detail, color depth, and dynamic range, especially in wildlife shots. This reinforces my belief that full-frame still delivers unmatched image quality, particularly for printing or commercial work. However, with the improvements in APS-C sensors, especially in the R7 Mark II, the performance gap is narrowing. But if Canon pushes the price of the R7 Mark II too high, many pros may simply continue using the R6 Mark II or invest in the R5 Mark II instead. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the R7 Mark II? Should you wait for the R7 Mark II? That depends. If you're a high-end APS-C shooter craving more speed and control, yes. If you already own an R6 Mark II and are satisfied, maybe not. If your budget is tight or you prioritize portability, consider the R10 Mark II instead. If you're on the fence between full-frame and APS-C, R7 Mark may second bridge that gap. Canon seems poised to offer a range of APS-C solutions that no longer feel entry-level, but are instead powerful tools in a compact form. With sensor advancements, AI autofocus, digic synergy, and greater accessory compatibility, the R7 Mark II might be the most capable APS-C camera Canon has ever released. Thanks for watching and supporting Techno Trend Zone. I hope today's analysis gave you valuable insights into the upcoming Canon R7 Mark II and the future of APS-C mirrorless photography. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for the next update.